feeding that cold weather towards us are going to persist in the next few days, so obviously those lower and lower temperatures slowly but surely heading our way. The reason, we've got a squeeze at the moment. We have high pressure around Scandinavia, low pressure just to the southwest of us, and in between those cold winds coming in from the continent. Quite a lot of rain around at the moment. Not only rain, as a matter of fact, there's some sleet, snow, freezing rain even mixed in with it. The heaviest rain, most persistent rain across the southern parts of the country. But in the hills of South Wales, the Cotswolds too, do watch out because some of that rain is freezing, so it's a little bit on the slippery side, and that could well happen in parts of the Midlands as well later on this evening. And that area of rain working its way northwards, turning to sleet in places and even turning to snow over the Welsh mountains, for instance, when it moves up in towards the Peak District. We're also going to find an increasing number of wintry showers feeding into the areas of northeast England and eastern Scotland as the night goes along. The more sheltered spots, though, Northern Ireland, northwest England, central and western parts of Scotland, broken cloud allowing temperatures to drop below freezing, so a frost there, but holding above freezing in most other areas, except, of course, on some of those hilly parts, hence the mention of that freezing rain. Now, tomorrow, the best of the bright weather is going to be once again in that northwestern corner, especially in northwest Scotland, a good deal of cloud in many other parts of the country, and for Wales, central and southern areas of England, rather a sort of damp, raw start, I think, with further outbreaks of rain and drizzle around. But I think as the day goes along, much of that will tend to die away, or move away westwards at least. That will allow perhaps some brighter weather to creep into the extreme southeast. On the other hand, that damp weather heading up into Northern Ireland. Quite a raw wind in most parts of the country, but you notice at least for a while the winds coming in from the southeast across these southern counties. So not quite so cold there, but the cold winds certainly reassert themselves late in the day. Strongest winds along that east coast, that's where it'll feel really cold. In fact, over the hills, those temperatures could remain below freezing. But, as I said, not quite so bad in those southernmost counties. Further sleet or snow showers coming onto that east coast tomorrow night, and Thursday and Friday the charts, in fact, are very similar. In other words, there's going to be some sharp frosts morning and night, and further snow showers in eastern and